Good morning, students. Here is class 9th for math subject. Students, before starting my AV assignment, let us take pledge. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. So students, today I will start chapter number 4, that is factorization. Today we will start the new chapter, chapter number 4. The name of the chapter is factorization. First of all, what is factor? If A is equal to B into C, where A, B, C are non-zero integers, then B and C are called the factors of A. Suppose we have a number 12. ठीक है जी, 12 we can write 4 multiply by 3 or 6 multiply by 2. Okay, so here we can say कि 4 and 3 are the factors of 12. ठीक है जी, 4 and 3 are the factors of 12 and 12 is the multiple of 4 and 3. Simply जिस नंबर के साथ, जिन नंबर्स के साथ आप डिवाइड कर सकते हो गिवन नंबर को, दैट नंबर्स आर नोन एज द फैक्टर ऑफ द गिवन नंबर. So let us start exercise number 4.1. First question is factorize the following. First is exercise 4.1. Question number 1. First part is 9ab cube plus 12a square b square. How we will solve it? First of all, this expression has two terms. First term is 9a b cube, second term is 12a square b square. ठीक है, तो first of all let us solve this. 9ab cube, 9 we can write 3 multiply by 3. Okay, then a comes one time, b 3 times. ठीक है, we will write in the expanded form. You can also do direct by taking the common factor from both of the terms and the remaining terms will be in the another bracket, that will be a other factor. ठीक है, but if simply we will do like this. 12 a square b square. 12 we can write 6 2 is 12. Again 6 we can write 2 3 is 6, or we can make factor like this. 12 divide by 2, then 6 2 3, then 3. So 2 2 3, 2 multiply 2 multiply by 3. A square means we can write a 2 times. B square means b we will write 2 terms. Now we will find the HCF. HCF means highest common factor. Highest common factor. क्या चीज़ कॉमन है इसमें? 3 इज कॉमन, देन a इज कॉमन, b 2 टाइम्स. सो वी विल राइट 3a b 2 टाइम्स b स्क्वायर वी विल. ठीक है, नाउ कम टू दिस पॉइंट. 9ab क्यूब प्लस 12a स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू HCF we will write outside. ठीक है जी, then what is left here? 3b, other terms are outside. ठीक है, 3b प्लस इसमें से बच्चे 2 2 ज़ा 4, 4a प्लस 4a, दिस इज द आंसर। ओके, हमने ये फैक्टर बना लिया। आई थिंक दिस कंसेप्ट इज क्लियर टू यू। देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, फर्स्ट पार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, फर्स्ट पार्ट इज 35p square q square r minus 14p q square r square. Now take first term 35p square q square r. 35 we can write 7 5s are 35. p square means p multiply by p 2 times. Then q square, q multiply by q. Then r. Again next term 14 p q square r square. 14 we can write 7 2s are 14. p 1 time, q 2 times and r 2 times. Okay, now what is common here? 7 is common, p is common, q 2 times and r is common. Now we can write SCF is equal to 7p q square because it comes 2 times, then r. So again this term 35p square q square r minus 14p q square r square is equal to 7p q square r. Then what is left here? 5p minus here 2r. So this is the answer. I think this concept is clear to you. Then similarly we will do other part. Here in this sum 3 terms are there, so we will make the factors of all the 3 terms. Then we will take HCF common, then the remaining term will be in the one bracket. Now let us do 7th question. 7th question is first part 21a into 3p minus 2q minus 14b 3p minus 2q. Okay बच्चे, here these two terms are same. This is one term, this is first term, this is second term. ठीक है, no need to open this bracket. बच्चे ये फैक्टर है, ये दोनों में ही कॉमन है. ठीक है, 21 we can write 7 3s are 21a. ठीक है, then 3p minus 2q. 14 को लिख सकते हो 7 2s are 14 into b 3p minus 2q. ऐसे भी बच्चे either you can adopt this method or this also. ठीक है, दोनों में बच्चे अब देखो this is one term, this is second term, दोनों में क्या क्या कॉमन है? that will be the HCF, और वो HCF आपने बाहर लिख लेना. तो क्या कॉमन है? दोनों टर्म में 7 है. ठीक है, 7 we will write outside और कोई कुछ नहीं है, leave them. Then this factor is also common 3p minus 2q. ठीक है जी. Now next bracket what is left here? 3a because this and this term is common here. So 3a, next sign is minus. इसमें बच्चे ये कॉमन आ गया. What is left here? 2b and this is already taken outside. तो बच्चे ये क्या आ गया आपके फैक्टर. So this is the answer. So all the questions of this exercise are same. बच्चे try by yourself. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.